We have company! Hey guys! Welcome to the Niki and Gabi house / headquarters. So a lot of you guys are probably really confused. Yes, Gabi and I got a house together finally, but it's not for what you think it is. We're not moving in together for our daily lives, but we have a space for the Niki and Gabi filming and the Niki and Gabi projects we always work on. Dedicated to Niki and Gabi channel, anything that we film, like series or Blood Queens. So we kind of have like a location and we're here for good, and this is where all of our content's gonna be filmed out of for 2019. So we just kind of want to give you a really personal, empty house tour, so come on in. I feel like we're with Vogue right now. I feel like this is like a Vogue video. We're talking to like the audience, but it's really just Nate. So we first get in the house and there's a dining room on our left. So this is, you know, the size of it. I like how there's no doors and it's super open and it's all white. I think white is our neutral color. Yeah. It goes with both our styles, so I was very happy that this is a white. It's a white walled house with dark floor, which is my favorite. Yeah, check out the wood floor. That's like #1 reason why we loved this house. Dark wood. I almost flipped off the camera instead of did a thumb. So then we go through here and our little office meeting space is in here. So this is where we're gonna like have meetings, video projects, planning videos. We're gonna have a whiteboard, we're gonna have like files and all that kind of office stuff and meeting stuff. It's also gonna be an editing space. This is the only furniture we have currently in this entire house. So then we get over here, and this is personally my favorite space. It's the family / living room with a fireplace. And we got a nice, beautiful cream colored kitchen, which I'm obsessed with. So I think the biggest selling point of this house and why we chose it was because of the kitchen and the fireplace and the big living room. I mean, the kitchen looks like Cinderella's kitchen. It's just so pretty. It's beautiful, like I'm just staring at it. Like, it fits with my fancy vlogs, and it fits with Niki's videos, and it fits with Niki and Gabi. Thumbnail. So that way it matches our thumbnail of the video. See, look, your outfit goes with the kitchen, but so does mine. Both of our styles fit this house. I'm so happy about it. Fun fact, we've always filmed in our parents' house our entire 6 years on YouTube. Up until now, so we've been filming in our parents' house for 7 years. I feel like, you know what, it's time. It's time you guys upgrade. And you know what? I feel like 2019, I'm feeling the upgrade. This is also my favorite part of the house. It's like a little nook area where you could put like a little tiny desk, or you could just put like little pretty sun furniture. Also, if you guys see at all through the windows, you can tell that 1, it's wintertime outside on the East Coast and it's dreary out right now. And 2, this house was just built. So there's like a lot of construction around it because this is a very new area. And I mean, I feel like it's a good and bad thing. We don't have many neighbors, so maybe that's a good thing. Yeah. So for when Niki and I do night routines and get starving, we have a big pantry. Now we're gonna bring you guys upstairs. That was the downstairs. If we ever collab and they wanna use the bathroom. If we have any visitors, other YouTubers come in. Also, I feel like we can do more collabs now because now there's a place for them to stay. So I love this staircase. It reminds me of our staircase at home. So whose room is whose? Okay, so we haven't decided whose room is whose yet. It's gonna be definitely a little war zone. Okay, so this is the first bedroom we're gonna show you guys. It's the biggest in square footage, but it is not the master bedroom, and it's one of 4. This one doesn't have much lighting, so I feel like this would make a great glam closet for Gabi. I got my 2 big walls. Yeah, I feel like you can utilize the walls for your closet. The less windows, the better, because it's more I can hang and like shelf. This is exactly, the layout is exactly like my first apartment closet. Oh, we know that closet. It is the same layout. The window's right there. The walls, the little closet, the door. Have the little island in the middle. Oh my God, I'm literally having a freak out right now. I miss that apartment. So this might be my glam closet, my Scream Queens closet. This is all tentative. So this is the next bedroom. It has 2 windows, yeah. I feel like a vanity would go really good here to like do like your makeup. And a bed right there would be comfy. What's this? This is just a closet. And another bedroom. This is another bedroom. There's a little window in that closet. Oh wait, that's cute. That's adorable. Hello. You could be like getting changed and be like, oh, it's a beautiful day. I like this bedroom a lot. Then, this is a bathroom. Bathroom for everyone. Oh, so I guess we do have like a cute little pink bath mat This is another little tiny piece of furniture we have.
Why? That's so random.
That's not even furniture. What am I saying?
God, I hate looking at mirrors all day when you haven't like looked at yourself all day and you're like, oh, I look rough.
I look cute.
I have a zit on my face. Look at it. Gabby, look.
I know, I've been staring at it all day.
Oh my God, it got bigger.
It looks like I have shoulder pads. But this house literally matches my style and Niki's style. Like, I can't get over it.
It's crazy.
It like goes. It's perfect.
This is the master bedroom that we both want, but we're gonna talk about
If I got my glam closet, I don't need a big ass room. But
Okay, what's this?
holy huge.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow.
So if someone gets 2 rooms and someone gets this room, it's like equivalent.
Is it even necessary to have a closet that big?
I don't even have that much clothes to like put in there.
Okay, so you get a shower. That sucks.
Hello.
I love my baths. I hate showers so much.
I love that there's like a separate bathroom. So like if this was my bathroom, I could close the door while my friends are getting ready out here and they don't have to like see me.
I don't really care for this room. You can have it because I don't like showers. I like baths.
Seriously?
Yeah, that's literally it.
That's your selling point? Are you kidding?
I hate showers so much. You
Or-
love your big.
That's not true.
Yeah, you do. You like big space.
Really?
I mean, look at your apartment in LA compared to mine. I like cozy and quaint. All right, guys, so that was our house tour of the Niki and Gabi headquarters. I'm so excited about this. Are you guys? Let us know in the comments down below.
Fun fact, I've always wanted to do a house tour, but we've never had a house that to show you guys. Like, I feel like we've always had apartments or we've lived in our parents' house. We've never had our own house.
So
This is crazy. I know it's a little confusing. I live every day in Los Angeles with my boyfriend in an apartment, and Gabby lives here in Pennsylvania with her boyfriend, but we pre-film all our videos here in Pennsylvania, and we're gonna pre-film all our videos in this house now.
I'm so excited. I love decorating. Stay tuned for like interior designing collaborations.
We're gonna be working with some YouTube interior designers on this house. We're not gonna give any spoilers, but you guys are gonna have to keep watching us in the new year.
Take a guess down below in the comments who we're gonna be working with to interior design.
And we'll see you guys in our next video.
Bye.
Bye.
I woke up today, I must have